Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to play music on Discord server. So let's get right into it. So guys, in this window what you have to do, you have to go on your server and then you have to go on app directory. Just click on it and you will reach to this page, and here you have to write. Once you write this name, then you have to hit on enter. Now go with green bot and hit on add app. Once you will hit on add app, then this type of pop-up will be appear on this screen, and then you have to go with continue, and here you have to scroll down and then you have to go with authorize. Simply go with this captcha, and now we have to go on our server. So once you receive this message, here you have to write and that's it guys. How to play music in Discord server. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.